Alright, well, welcome back. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Tom, and today I have a 2005 King Ranch F-150. It is loaded up. It has power windows, power locks, cruise control, tilt, AM/FM CD, sunroof, power rear sliding window. It also has the block heater right here, so on these soon-to-be cold mornings, you can plug your truck up and it'll be warm when you get in it. It has almost new Toyo open country MTs mud train tires on it. As you can see, they're almost new. The interior is flawless in the truck. It has the saddle interior, console, center shift, and as I said, the power rear sliding window, power sunroof. The truck is super nice, runs and drives excellent. And these trucks are very expensive and hard to find, especially a good one. This one has a few scratches on it, but not bad. It's not a new truck, but it sure does run like a new truck. It uses no oil. It gets around 13 to 18 miles per gallon. It's just an all-around great truck. It has the keyless entry. I do have the code for it. It has a bed liner. Transmission shifts as it should. It has a 5.4 motor in it. Let's see here. It has 149,202 on it, or 149,902 on it. Sorry about that. Like I said, the automatic shift's great. Power sunroof. It also has the power rear slider. If you're looking for a affordable truck that's going to last you a long time, you need to give me a call, because this is the truck for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Hey, thanks for watching. Please email me at tstout68 for more info on this truck or any other vehicles we have listed. Thank you.